This is the Adonit Pro Stylus. So coming in from Adonit, yeah, okay, we'll go with Adonit. This is the Pro 3 Precision Stylus. This is a 7mm precision disc stylus that's suitable for, well, iOS and Android, and I believe Windows as well. So it's kind of a useful stylus for all platforms. Particularly interesting and quite stylish looking. It retails for about £24 on Amazon, and there's a variety of different flavors available from Adonit, covering all stylus needs. So on the back, what do we have? We have magnetic cap, dampening tip, touchscreen compatible, and non-removable precision disc. So it's one of those ones with like a little disc that skates around on top of your screen, and there's a thing here as well. I've never actually used a stylus before on a tablet, and I know that there's different levels. Obviously there's the Apple Pencil, and then right down to the ones that you get for £2.99 from the shopping centre or Poundland. But I'm going to give this a go and see if a stylus actually benefits me. I have an Android tablet, and I think you can see from my previous unboxings I have a Samsung Galaxy S2, the new edition from Very, so I'm going to be using this on that to see how well it works. But I also have a touchscreen Windows laptop and an iPad. So we've got some sticky stuff here that was holding it in place on this bit of cardboard, which is a kind of No-Frills Packaging. Replaceable tip set, non-removable disc tip. Okay, so that's it. It's metal. It's kind of good looking. It's really small, and it looks to be very simple to take with you. What we have is there's a bit of grip around here for you to hold on to while you're using it. There's a clip here for it to fit in a shirt pocket like a scientist, or in the inside blazer pocket or whatever. We have some branding up here, a little logo there, and that's about it. A bit of glue on the side there from the packaging. We pull this out, and there's our tip, which has a little disc on it for touching the screen. Now, it said that was not removable, so I'm not going to try and yank it off or anything. And then there's a cap on here. I'll be interested to see exactly how this works. That's a magnetic clasp as well, so if I was to let go or just to push it, it will clip together itself like so. It's quite nice. It's a very high quality product in comparison to some of the cheaper versions that you get out of Poundland and things. It feels good in the hand, and it's probably something nice to play with whilst you're taking notes. And that fits on to the bottom there, so it does feel like it quite easily get lost, though it doesn't have, it's not as secure a fitting as it is down this end. But there's obviously a little cutout there for this rim to fit inside, which is, it's nicely designed. Really is a nice piece, and for you to be tip-tap tapping away. Okay, so we're actually going to use just my Galaxy, what is this? S8. I forgot what phone I had at the moment. And it just works. It's nice and smooth going over there. So if we were to there's my pathetic attempt at writing hello there. And we're using OneNote at the moment from Microsoft because it's my favorite app for note taking, and I didn't have to set anything up. It just works, and obviously it works like your fingertip, but it's a little more precision. So yeah, it's quite lovely. It's a very high quality, good looking stylus. I've never liked this idea on the tip, but obviously that's designed to protect your screen from the pointiness that goes below it. But yeah, it's nice. I quite recommend it. I'm going to use it for a wee while and see how well it goes. I've got a funny feeling my wife might actually take it because she does a lot of highlighting with her finger on her iPad in texts and passages and things like that when she's working. So that'll probably make a big difference. So if you've got a case that comes with a little slip that goes in the side of it, this might work quite well with that slip, because it's very dinky. Yeah. Alright, well, if you've got any questions, let me know in the comments box down below. Hit that subscribe button if you fancy. And other than that, take care.